Assalamualaikum to my CSC649 lecturer, Sir Khairul Nizam Halim. My name is Najwa Binti Hasim. I will present my paper review for mental illness classification among university students using decision tree. For the introduction, students nowadays complain about excessive level of stress in university life. On the other hand, students are at high risk for mental health problems as a result of family problems, the lack of certainty about their future career, financial restriction, and living away from home. Next is mental health in students is detected and treated based on signs and symptoms that how the condition affects students' daily life. For the literature review, first is mental illness. There are many factors that can contribute to mental illness issue among students, such as depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, and obsessive compulsive disorder. Second is machine learning. Machine learning is a data analytic technique that trains computer to learn from experience in the same way that people and animals do. Machine learning algorithms use mathematical technique to learn information directly from data rather than depending entirely on a prepared equation as a model. Lastly is the decision tree. Decision tree learning is one of the most widely used and practical method for inductive inference over supervised data. The reason decision tree be used because decision tree can be visualized and are simple to understand and interpret. For the related work, for the first related work is for Hussein and all. The goal of their project is to focus on establish a psychological treatment system. For the second related work from Lajawala and all, their goal is to achieve their mental illness should be determined without flaws for maintaining appropriate life balance. For the third related works is for law. The goal project is to describe, explain, predict and control behavior on students. For the last related work is for Atirah and all. Their goal project is to develop model that can predict mental health problem in mid-adolescent. For the methodology, there are five, five steps of methodology. First is data collection, data pre-processing, classification, model development, and system development. Next is major challenge in data mining. The first challenge is security and social challenge. Next is noisy and incomplete data. Third is complex data. Fourth is scalability and efficiency of the algorithm. And lastly, the improvement of data mining. Okay, for EDA is exploratory data analysis. For the first EDA is bar chart of history of mental disorder in students' family. For the second EDA, pie chart of sleep quality. For the third EDA is pie chart of recent student mental state. And lastly is the challenge for future research is based is in the data pre-processing field. Next is web mining, and lastly is business trend. I think that's all for me. Thank you.